This is a short interview with Puteri Eleni, straight A students in SPM. Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Let me ask you, did you expect yourself to get straight A?
No, not at all. Because on the SPM day, I saw all my friends before me getting straight A's and they were crying and jumping, and I felt as if I'm not going to be that. And when it came to my point, my teacher asked me, Pushi, how do you think you did? And then I told her, I think I got a C. Correct. In what? And I told her DF. Yes. Some more. I and then she said, yeah, you got some more C's. At math, yeah, you got a C also. And I wanted to cry, you know. And when she showed me the result, I got straight A's. I was like, you gotta be serious. I yelled, you're kidding. And she started, how much you get? I got straight A's. And then we both cried. I don't know. We just cried full of joy. So I did not expect. If I did, I wouldn't cry. But
you deserve it. How was your studies before and after having tuition at Misi Jaya?
Before was terrible. I got a D for NMAth. D, 45.
When was that?
Form 4. I didn't understand NMAth. It was terrible. I got 45 and my mom got so angry and she said, I'm gonna send you to tuition next week. And chemistry also I got C. And when I went to Misi Jaya, my chemistry got to 95, and my math I got an A plus for SPM, so I guess it's proof. A plus, yeah. So big difference.
How was your other subjects? Biology, physics?
Physics I got C as well. C for Form 4, and then I got A for SPM, and bio got D for Form 4, and for SPM I got A, so A1.
How was your trial last year?
Last year?
Did you manage to get A?
No, the only A I got was English.
Wow, that's good.
Yes,
so that's good A. So it's like a miracle.
Yes, my mom didn't even expect that. My mom half cried. She was so surprised that I actually got straight A's. Nobody believed that.
Your mom must be very proud of you. Okay, what do you think of the teachers at Misi Jaya?
They're fun. They're funny because especially at math and chemistry and physics, those are the subjects I find boring, and especially when they try to make me laugh. You know, I look forward to the class rather than going to school and really find it boring. I look forward more to tuition because it's fun to learn there. Yeah.
Are they helpful?
Yeah, they were. They answered all my stupid questions, all those questions that didn't make sense. They answered.
Okay, normally how do they conduct the lessons?
Usually like small class. That way the teacher can pay more attention to you. No matter what question I know the teacher will answer, no matter how silly they are or how non-related they are, the teachers will answer. So it gets conducted well.
Okay. What do you think of the environment at Misi Jaya?
Comfortable. The first time I came here, I told Pisa, this is an art gallery. It was so posh. It was nice. Especially now, it's nicer. So yeah, nice.
Thank you. How do you prepare for your examination? What is your secret to success?
Pay attention to teacher during class. You have to, because they're like your best friends when it comes to exams. You have to have like a good relationship with teacher. You cannot like fight them or like you have to have that bond with your teacher, and you have to listen to her or him, and you have to definitely when you come back you definitely have to practice what you learn or not you'll forget. So I do lots of latihan, steps, yeah. So study, listen, and have a good relationship with teacher.
And what are your sacrifices that you have made for your SPM?
I was only online once a week.
Okay.
I only watch TV at night, and I slept almost every night at 1.
For how many hours?
From 1, and then I had to wake up at 6:30 for school. So that's like 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, for a whole year I had 5 hours of sleep only. So there are a lot of sacrifices, definitely a lot of sacrifices.
Normally, how do you spend your weekends before your examination?
Weekends I made sure I had, throughout the whole year I had no tuition at all, because weekends were the days I had to rest and like calm myself down or not have a nervous breakdown. Before SPM or before any exam, I'll study. If my parents want to go out, I'll tell them to go out. I want to study. I full time kat rumah if near an exam.
Okay. What are the study tips or good advice for your junior students?
Studying, definitely do a lot of practice. Practice makes perfect. Definitely do a lot of that. And if you don't understand anything, you have to ask the teacher or not. It will just drag on because that's what happened to me. During Form 5, I just drag on something I don't know and I don't bother asking the teacher. And then when it comes to exam, you feel, oh my god, I didn't ask that. Oh my god. So you have to ask anything that you don't know. And read, especially history. Read a lot. You'll get in your head. So you have to be hardworking no matter what you have to. There's no shortcut.
Okay. Lastly, would you recommend Misi Jaya to your friends and relatives?
I have already. Yes, I would and I have.
Okay. We would like to thank you for dropping by at Misi Jaya.
You're welcome.
We wish you all the best in your future undertakings.
Thank you.
Welcome.